Hi guys, welcome to Lviv. This is a superb apartment with amazing panoramic and block views of the whole Novina landscape. You can enjoy these views day and night. Hi, I'm Ryan from Urban Agents, and today I would like to show you this rare 2+1 bedroom apartment at Lviv. So what's the great thing about this apartment? If you look around you, is the space. We have a very nice spacious living area, and we also have this balcony area which leads out into an amazing unblocked panoramic view of the whole Newton Novina landscape. This beautiful living room will comprise of the full height glass windows that brings in all the natural light into the living space. So every day in this apartment you get very nice natural light. What we see in the living area is squarish. It's very spacious and it has a very good depth. And why is the depth so important? So that when you put your furniture and you can put your entertainment set, there's space all around you. It's not so compact. So what you're seeing right now is the best view in the whole of Newton. So why is this view so amazing? In Singapore, everybody talks about views and views and views. But Singapore is always changing. As we all know, it's always under change. But in this apartment, the view that I'm going to show you is an unblocked, permanent view. And why do I say so? Because in front of me is a landed enclave and low-rise development. So nothing will spoil this view. And that's why this is such a rare apartment and such a rare opportunity to acquire such an amazing property. And one of the best part of the house would be the kitchen, and it's so lovely. It's all in white, and the great thing about this kitchen is fully functional. We have the fridge, freezer and dishwasher all nicely tucked away. It's concealed, and all the appliances over here is by Miller. Most people will tell me their kitchen is very dark, it's very concealed. They always break up the kitchen walls to make an island to let the light in. So imagine this is almost just like an island. So you can have an open space, enjoying your whole view, enjoying the whole apartment from your kitchen. The great thing I love about this apartment would be the bedrooms. The bedrooms are hidden away. So this is what I call a hidden layout. So in a hidden layout, you can entertain your family and friends in the nice spacious living area, while if they have any noise or if there's laughter, it won't affect anybody in the bedrooms. So come, let me show you the bedrooms. Welcome to the common bedroom. And what you can see is that the owner has done with this space, they have created deckings for the bed, enough space for the study table, ample storage below and above, and also enough space for a wardrobe. The best thing about this room is that it comes with the full-length glass windows, which allows the natural light to come in, okay, and it also allows you to have the full views of the landscape. In this apartment, all the rooms have the same view as the balcony. It's amazing views. Before we head up to the master bedroom, I would like to show you the study room. So in this study room, what the owner has done is that they have customized and built a study desk and also storage spaces. If you do not want to use this as a study room, actually you can remove out all the cabinetry and actually put a single bed here. There's enough space. So over here will be the common bathroom, and what you can see, it's so well designed, it's so sleek, it's so nice, it just feels like a hotel. Let me take you to the magnificent master bedroom. And as you can see, it has a very unique layout. With this layout, we have a dual frontage view and 180-degree sweeping views all around us. This is one of the best master bedroom views you can find in the whole of the Novina Newton area. And look at the bed. This is a king-size bed with so much space to spare. And we even have the built-in wardrobes over here. So the owner has taken advantage of the bay windows. So what they have done is the decking. So what you can do with this decking is that it creates a relaxation corner whereby you can just relax over here with a cup of coffee or your laptop and do your work and take in all the scenery. So it makes the whole master bedroom come alive because it creates more functionality with the room as well. If you're fascinated with master bathrooms, this is one to behold. Come, let me show you. If you're having a shower over here, what you can take in would be fantastic views of the Marina Bay Financial District. If you don't want to take a shower, you can enjoy the luxurious sunken bath over here. What more can you ask for? At Lviv Condo, we enjoy the best of both worlds. We have 5 minutes walking distance to Novina MRT and 5 minutes walking distance to Newton MRT. We are the heart of Newton. It is a very strategic location, so by staying here, you enjoy the best of both worlds. And not only that, this condo you have full condo facilities. This is something very rare and hardly found in the new developments in this area. If you're looking for the best unit in Newton, just like this, please call me. I'm Ryan from Urban Agents. And if you like videos like this, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.